The specific patterns for this will vary per doll, since they all have different ear placements. Here's how I customized it specifically for a bunny doll. Start with a slip knot, then chain enough to fit the width of the doll head. Turn the chain to crochet into the back loops. We will create an arch to fit the front of the head by making a slip stitch, single, then half double crochet on the first 3 loops. Make double crochets in the middle in this case for then half double, single crochet and slip stitch on the last 3 loops. The front of the towel should now fit the front of the head. If the doll doesn't have ears sticking up, we can repeat this pattern for row 2 and skip to row 3. For this doll, we're going to make slits so that the bunny ears can stick out. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet, then chain 4. Skip 3 stitches to reach the middle of the row. Make 2 double crochets in the middle. Chain 4 again. And skip 3 stitches, single crochet, then slip stitch. Check to see if the doll ears fit. Adjust the chain length if needed. Row 3, chain 1, single crochet twice, single and double crochet decrease. Half double crochet, 3 double crochet, then half double crochet, double and single crochet decrease, single crochet twice, then slip stitch. Check again to see if the doll ears fit. Next, we'll start with the buns. Bun 1 row 1, chain 2, then slip stitch to create a loop. Chain 2, then make a total of 9 double crochets. Where you put the stitches may vary, but just make sure to spread the stitches evenly to create the round with an end stitch count of 10. Slip stitch to complete row 1. bun 1 row 2. To complete the sheep or bun shape, chain 1. Single crochet 9 times, then slip stitch. Now to get to the other side without cutting your yarn. Just chain 2, slip stitch into the back of the bun, slip stitch again, then single crochet across a row. Slip stitch twice again, then repeat bun 1 pattern for bun 2. Bun 2 row 1. Bun 2 row 2. Slip stitch, chain 1, and cut to complete. The middle towel part can vary a bit per doll, but the bun pattern should be the same throughout. I used chunky number 5 yarn for this pattern, but doubling a number 3 or number 4 yarn should work as well. Stay tuned for the shirt pattern. To complete your 1 to 7 squat sauna outfit,